Hello kiddos, I'm glad to see you once again. I know you enjoy our Zoom classes wherein we have puzzles game based on the videos. Yes, so I can say that you are seeing my videos properly and you are doing the homework along with me. Yes, so keep doing your work students, keep it up. Fine. Now we will study the next topic, which is common factors. Okay, in the previous video, I explained you about prime factorization. Now, what is prime factorization? It is prime factors. Factors जो prime nature के है. That is known as prime factorization, and that we can do by tree method and short division method. Okay, now see students, the factor of 100 is 2 multiplied by 50. This is the factor, only factor. 50 is not the prime factor, whereas 2 is the prime factor. So this I cannot say is prime factorization because 50 prime factor nahi hai na. But 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is the prime factorization of 100. Why? Because each number is a prime number. Yes, you cannot further divide it into any table. Okay, so prime factorization of 100 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. See, check it. 5 5s are 25, 2 2s are 4. So 4 25s are 100. So 100 को ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करना है ऐसे फैक्टर्स में जो प्राइम फैक्टर्स है, and that is known as prime factorization. Fine. Now moving on to the new topic, that is common factors. Now this take us to the first video wherein I have explained you to find factor of any number. Yes, do you remember what steps we have to follow while finding the factor of any number? You know students, any number will have 1 and the number itself as 2 factors. Minimum दो factors तो होते ही है. Yes, so start with the 1 and the number itself because 2 factors तो होने ही है, होते ही है. Fine. And then we will check in which table, other tables that number comes, that is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by कौन सी table में आते हैं, that we will check out. And we will check out till the half of the number. जो भी question है उसका half of the number तक हमें check करना है. And we use arc. This is to avoid mistakes. Yes, I hope you remember this. So let's use this tricks by solving one sum. Let's have an example, that is 14 I have taken. So 14 will start with 1 and the number itself, that is 1 multiplied by 14. And then we will have 2 के table में 14 कब आएगा? 2 multiplied by 7 will give me 14. Yes, 3 के table में 14 नहीं आएगा. Okay, 4 के table में भी नहीं आएगा because 4 4s are 16 and 4 3s are 12. 5 के table में भी 14 नहीं आएगा. 6 के table में भी नहीं आएगा. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Yes, and 7 के table में we have already taken 7 2s are 14. And see, 14 is there, उसका half क्या है? 7. So we have to check till the table 7 only, and that we have done. Okay, so these are the only possible factors of 14. So I can write my final answer by factors of 14 are 1 with 14 and 2 with 7. You need not use the arc in the exams. This is only for explanation part. Okay, just imagination करना है, draw नहीं करना है paper पे. Okay, now let's take the other example, that is 42. So starting with the 1 and the number itself, that is 1 multiplied by 42. Then we will have 2 के table में 2 times 21 will give me 42. Then 3 के table में 3 14s are 42 होता है. Now 4 के table में 42 नहीं आएगा. 5 के table में नहीं आएगा. 6 के table में 6 7s are is 42. Likewise 42 का half क्या है? 21. So you have to check till table 21. But you can use a trick. This 42 is a even number, no? So even number के table में आएगा, 5 के table में नहीं आएगा, जिस number में 10 है उसके table में नहीं आएगा. Yes, so you have to check till 21. And I can say that this is the only possible factors. Okay, So factors of 42 are 1 with 42, 2 with 21, 3 with 14 and 6 with 7. Fine. Now we have found factors of two different numbers, but our question is to find common factors. What I am explaining you? I am explaining you common factors. So common लेने के लिए दो नंबर तो चाहिए. So I have to see which factors are common between 14 and 42. So we have factors of 14, factors of 42. So here 1 is there and here 1 is there. So 1 is a common factor. 2 is there here, 2 is there here also, 2 is a common factor. 14 is there, 14 is there here also, 14 is a common factor. And I forgot 7. No, I purposely did that. Okay, so 7 is also a factor and here also we have 7 as a factor. Okay, now no numbers are left here. So I can say that a common factor of 14 and 42 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Okay, students, this common factors explanation you will be using in your further classes also. This topic you will have in your higher standards also, wherein you have to find greatest common factor or least common factors. Okay, now I am having the other example and we will start with the number and 1 itself, and then we will multiply by 2, 3 and 4 till the half of the number. Yes, and we will use arc. Don't forget this. This is to be there in your mind. Okay, now let's take the example 12. 12, 1 multiplied by 12 is the first factor, then 2 6s are, then 3 4s are 12. Okay, 5 के 4 के टेबल में तो we did, 5 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, और 6 2s are also we did, and we have to check till the half of the number. 12 का half क्या है? 6. So we have done that. Okay, these are the only possible factors. So I'll write factors of 12 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, now I'm not using arc here, but you can use in your mind. Okay, now I'm taking the other example, that is 30. This is the other number. 30, 1 times 30 and then 2 times 15 is also 30, 3 times 10 is also 30, then 4 के टेबल में 30 नहीं आएगा, 5 के टेबल में आएगा, 5 6 are 30. Yes, then no 7 नहीं, 8 नहीं, 9 के टेबल में भी नहीं आएगा because it is ending with 0. Yes, so 10 के टेबल में we did already. Till 15 we have to check because 30 का half 15 है. Okay, 12 के नहीं आएगा, 13, 14 and 15 we already did. So these are the only possible factors. So factors of 30 will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now we have completed the factors. Now we have to find common factors. So 1 here common, 2 here, 2 here is a common, 3 here, 3 here is a common, 4 here, but we don't have 4 here. Okay, so 4 I will not say as a common factor. 6 here and 6 here. Okay, and 12 here and 12 is not there here. So students, एक नंबर के तो सारे factors आपको check करने पड़ेंगे. Fine. So these are the only common factors. So I can write common factor of 12 and 30 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Fine. See, you have to check. I have checked all the numbers of 12. एक ही नंबर के सारे factors आपको check करने हैं. ये 10, 15, 30 आप नहीं check करोगे तो चलेगा because you are coordinating one number with the other number. Fine. Now let's take other example wherein we have 3 numbers. 3 number में से common factor निकालने हैं. Previously we had 2 numbers 12 and 30. Okay, now we will have 3 numbers. Now let's take one number 6. 6 के तो easily you know what are the factors. Tell me fast. Yes, it is 1 multiplied by 6 and 2 multiplied by 3. That's the only possible factors. So factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Yes. Now the second example or the second number from the same example is 12. So 1 multiplied by 12, I have taken easy numbers, and 2 multiplied by 6 and then 3 multiplied by 4. Yes, and 4 multiplied by 3 to hai 6 ke bhi still you have to check till 6. Okay. Now factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now the third number is 18. 18, 1 18s are 18, then 2 9s are 18, then 3 6s are 18. 4 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 5 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 6 we have already done, 7 टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 8 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, 9 we have already done, and we have to check till half of 18, that is 9. So we have checked till 9. So these are the only possible factors. So factors of 18 are 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Okay, now तीनों नंबर के हमने फैक्टर्स निकाल लिए. Now what is our job? Now we will have common factors. Yes, so let's check. Okay, 1 यहाँ है, 1 यहाँ है, 1 यहाँ है, 1 तो हमेशा कॉमन रहेगा ही. 2 is here, 2 is here, and 2 is here, and 3 is here, 3 is here, and 3 is here. Now 6 is here, 6 is also here, and 6 is here. So we will have common factors. Now my search is complete because एक नंबर जो 6 है उसके सारे फैक्टर्स मैंने चेक कर लिए हैं. नाउ यू कैन नॉट हैव कॉमन, मे बी 12 और 18 के बीच कॉमन होगा, बट यू कैन नॉट से दैट आर कॉमन बिटवीन द 3 नंबर्स. आपको क्या पूछा है? तीनों नंबर के बीच का कॉमन पूछा है, 2 नंबर के बीच का नहीं करना है. ओके, सो तीनों नंबर के बीच के कॉमन नंबर्स क्या है? 1 2 3 and 6. फाइन. Now with this we come to an end of the textbook chapter 5. We have completed the textbook. In the next video we will start with the workbook. You sit with your workbook and a pencil and a book. Okay, and I hope you are enjoying your Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesha has already arrived. Yes, but keep safe distance and be safe. Okay, and enjoy your time and study well. Bye.